Once upon a time, in a land where the sun always shone bright, lived a little girl named Lily. She loved the warm days and the cool nights, but her favorite part of summer was the ice cream truck. One sunny afternoon, the ice cream truck came rolling down the street, its jingle making her heart flutter with excitement. "What shall I choose today?" she thought, as she opened her piggy bank and counted her coins. She had just enough for one scoop, but she couldn't decide between the strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla. She closed her eyes, took a deep breath, and made her choice. With a smile on her face, she handed her coins to the ice cream man and waited with anticipation. The ice cream man scooped a generous portion of her chosen flavor into a cone. "Here you go, Lily," he said, handing her the ice cream. "Enjoy every lick." Lily walked home, savoring the first taste of her ice cream. It was the best strawberry ice cream she had ever tasted. She licked and licked, her smile growing wider and wider. At home, she shared her ice cream with her dog, Max. Max loved ice cream just as much as Lily, and they both enjoyed their sweet treat together. As the sun began to set, Lily knew it was time to say goodnight. She finished her ice cream, gave Max a big hug, and went to bed, her heart full of happiness and her mind full of dreams of ice cream days ahead. And so, every summer night, Lily would dream of the ice cream truck, the sweet taste of strawberry, and the joy that ice cream brought her and Max. And every summer day, she would wait for the ice cream truck to come, hoping to find the perfect scoop. The end.